So hey guys, I just got this new RK84 Royal Clutch keyboard. So let me guys show you what's inside the box. So this is the user manual as usual. Nothing to do with it. For now, let's leave it aside. There are the extra switches. Here's a Type-C to USB cable. And here's the magnetic foots that can attach to the keyboard. And here is the switch puller and the keycaps puller, both in one. Nice. And now the main thing, the keyboard itself. Let's check it out. So let me get this box aside. So there's not much in the box, just a few details about the keyboard. Oh. So let's see. Oh my god, this is so good. These are the brown switches and they are so silent. I know it needs some mods like foam mods and some stabilizer fixes, but just for a stock keyboard for like $40, this is great. I'm loving this already. So this is just behind it. There are two switches, one for Bluetooth and the dongle G, and off and on. And here's the dongle. Damn, this is sexy, dude. I don't think I'll be tapping in my keyboard anymore from my laptop. Let's just get the dongle out. I don't know if I should use dongle or the Bluetooth. Oh, and one more thing. I think this is... can get this out of here. Oh, so I think I can paint it in a different color. And so let me guys show you how this keyboard looks from the side. So this is without the cover, side cover. Okay, so it looks like a floating keys without the side cover, and feels satisfying, man. So let me put it back. I think I can flip this if I don't want to see the Ruthless logo. So with the cover, it looks like this. Oh, this is fine. The thickness is fine. The height is fine. I think I can live with this. So let me just turn it on. Oh shit! I think I'm gonna break this while filming. So I just turned it on. Damn. The RGB is same. It reflects, like it bounces off really good with that background, white background. And it does support Mac and Windows, and you can pair up to 3 devices. There are some shortcut, and there's a function key as well. This is RK84. I mean, the 65 does not have, RK65 does not have this function rows, but this has. I wanted the function keys, and it does have a bigger battery. I think it's 3000 something mAh battery. It can last me a week, so nice. I think it will be great. Let me just show you the sound test. This is good. So this one for today, guys. I think I'll make a different video with details. If you guys want to, just comment down below and hit the like and subscribe button. Bye bye.